Some rain and this wet earth really makes me want to just dig. Slowly working over the space, tuning up the Kiva for the season. What's up? Just backfilling with rubble, and then I'm going to cover it with layer of nice soil. A lot of fun out here. A lot of fun. Back to day 2 on this project. Kiva was full of ash, so I dug it out. It's full of nails and just nasty stuff like that from people burning lumber and pallets. Putting all that in the backfill, and then I'll just cover it over with some fresh dirt. Big. I've never picked one of these up before, but man, I really want to pick this guy up. He's cool. He's little, but I'm not gonna. Some tacos cooked on the Kiva. So awesome. What a life, man.